Hey guys, it's Epic Gaming by Kilton here, and today we're gonna unbox the gun that these guys got me,
the rough cut.
for my birthday. They got me the rough cut. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Oh, and on the back we have this stuff, all the other guns. So the Strife, the whatever that is, and the Rampage. Okay. I'm just gonna go like this and cut that open and cut that. There we go. Now I'm gonna, oh my god. There we go. That's a lot easier. There we go. Pulling. So we have the rough cut.
Try and stop it.
Okay, then let's get all the bullets out.
And
by the way, it actually doesn't shoot up to 75 feet. But it does shoot pretty far.
Yeah, and it shoots 2 darts at a time if you guys don't have this. Oh, don't play with the scissors, they can hurt you. You should know that by now, you're in kindergarten.
yes. And they taught me how to use scissors.
Yeah, but you don't play with scissors. They're not toys. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I will do bunny ears on you.
Stop it, Ryan.
I saw you. I see you on the camera, bro. You're right there.
Stop it.
Okay. We got a bunch of bullets.
Don't lose them.
I won't, Owen. Okay.
One.
Put those in.
Let's put those can holes in.
No, other way. Like this. You put them in like that, beside each other. And then they shoot like that.
I can't put them in like this.
You can.
But it just won't work.
It just won't. They just don't shoot like this. They don't shoot like that. They shoot like this.
I know. I don't care. So they only shoot. So it only shoots 2 at a time, and then 2 will come out.
Or you can remember you can choose the choice of shooting it once.
Oh yeah.
But he wants to see how it works.
Okay, so what? So every time we cock it, right? 2 will come out, and then the next 2, and the next 2, and the next 2. Every time I shoot it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We should shoot it somewhere else.
You have the camera. Okay. I'm not shooting it at the camera. Oh, I have a better idea. Are we good, Captain? Okay, move. All right. Ready, guys?
Shoot me. I'm the target. Don't shoot my head, please.
I won't. Nice.
And then you want me to show you how you shoot it once? So
I know how to shoot it once.
Okay. Shoot it so it makes so it only shoots 1 dart.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see you do it.
You only do it a little bit.
Okay, let's see you do it.
Okay.
You'll actually get shoot in the butt.
Dang it! I did it a little bit.
No, watch. Watch. Come here. So put the darts in.
What?
So
Show me.
I'll show you.
Tell me.
So
Tell me.
just let me see it.
Tell me.
I can't tell you. You don't let me see it. So cock
I
it.
guess we're going to have to end this
and go like
video.
this.
No, Owen.
Wait. What the heck? I guess yours doesn't allow that.
If you shot one bullets, there are no more darts.
I know.
All right. So after that shooting, I'll give you a 360 version. We'll look at it a little more. We'll shoot it down that long way, and then yeah, then we'll just end this video after that. So
Yeah.
actually, it's pretty short. Maybe we should do some more stuff. It's pretty short.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Hit the like button if you want these videos to be longer.
Squash it!
Oh, and no. Don't do that.
Hit the like button if you want the videos to be longer.
Squash
And
it!
hit the dislike. No, don't hit the dislike button. I'm just joking. Yeah, hit the like button if you want the videos to be longer. And comment, please. Okay. Gonna try this one more time. Dude, I saw you shoot it with one time. That was it. That's kind of weird. What? No,
Wait.
I think we should end this video already.
No, Owen.
Okay.
It's a
I need to take your sticker off. Oh, fuck. There you go.
I got it.
Jingle bells,
Owen,
jingle bells,
don't move it,
jingle
please.
bells.
Owen. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this one more time, and then you will shoot it down the stairs. See how long it will go. Oh yeah, first I need to give you a 360 version of it, if it will fit on the camera. And up, bottom, boom, boom. Okay. Ha! Gotcha.
No, you actually missed.
No, I didn't. I got you.
No, you missed.
I got you.
But you missed.
I got you.
But you know what?
I got you, guys. If I hit him,
Tell me in the comments down below, please.
okay. Now we're actually gonna test this out.
But you know what? I never missed.
Please don't shoot me. That actually kind of stings.
I want to get shot with this.
No.
Please shoot me. Please.
No.
Please shoot me.
No.
Oh, shoot me.
No.
Shoot me. I want to get shot.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a
Please
tiger
stop.
by a show.
Why
If
can't I
you
get
call.
shot?
I picked the very best one.
Owen, come on. Owen, come on.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Boom. Come on.
I really like getting shot with Nerf blasters.
Which is kind of weird. Okay, move, or else I will shoot you in the eye.
Ready? I'm going to throw it out and you guys shoot it. Okay, ready?
No.
Ew, you missed.
Ready, set, go.
Dang it!
It shot 3!
What the heck?
Mine does that too sometimes.
Because like all the air.
Comment down below if you want that.
I know how to make it shoot
Oh, wait.
for.
People don't comment down below. He just does that to do it. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Oh, I got this last year for Christmas. Okay, now it's time to do. It's time to see if we can shoot it downstairs. And then next video, we are gonna do a challenge.
Of the Nerf blaster.
No, we are not doing a challenge of the new blaster. We are doing a challenge. This kid commented. I mentioned this in another video. I'm gonna do that.
And his name was, what was his name?
I forgot. But yeah, and then also thank you.
No, his name was Red Hot Ninja Bloody.
No, it wasn't. Oh, and I know who you're thinking about. So my last video, it was. I'm not gonna say. Japanese hot knife, and yeah, guys, go check out his channel, and
Comment down below for him.
comment down below, please, and
Thanks, Kelton.
no, don't shoot me, Kelton. Shoot him. Shoot him. Whatever. We're just gonna see how far it goes down the stairs.
Shoot him.
Guys, we're gonna do it down the stairs. Okay.
So we're going to have to move
Wait,
the
no.
camera all the way down there
No.
to see the darts.
Oh yeah, that is good. Come on. Okay. Okay, guys, move.
Hopefully it
Oh,
won't get hit.
Owen, move. Brian, move.
Don't be weirded out. Ryan is creepily staring at you.
You can't see it though. Ryan, stop. Ryan, stop. I will shoot you in the eye.
I've gotten shot many times in the eye before.
I shot him.
I'll shoot you with my mega dart. That hurts really bad.
Shoot it at the camera.
Got you guys. Got you guys.
You're out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, okay. Oh, and no, Ryan, no. Do not put those darts in your mouth. They're shoving up your butthole.
Oh!
That's what you get. Stop.
Hey, Kelton,
Stop, Ryan.
come up here.
It's not funny. Okay, guys, that's gonna end the video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe for more YouTube videos, and please comment down below. It would mean the world to me. And hope you guys enjoyed. Keep on gaming.